sunrise breaks across that red dirt land. The tighten of my boots, rope steady in my hand. Another day riding, hear the Broncos kick and scream. Oklahoma mornings are like a path to every dream.
The two gator rattles as my heartbeat starts to race. The dust clouds swirl around this old arena place.
Crowd is getting louder,
Boots stomping in the stands.
feels like the whole state's cheering for this rodeo. Eight seconds on the clock, but it feels like eternity.
That bull's a raging monster, trying hard to humble me.
But I hold on tight,
No fear behind my eyes,
'cause legends here are born beneath the Oklahoma sky. Shaking, but hell, man, likes the fun.
my buddy slapped my back,
Say you gave it all tonight,
100 neon lights and stardust.
everything feels right, 'cause these Oklahoma rodeo nights
A dust and danger, thrills and fight.
it's where the brave don't break and the weak don't stay, and the heart of the West beats proud every day. In the heat of those wide arena lights,
We live for Oklahoma.
rodeo nights. Mama's in the bleachers,
Whispering one more prayer,
Daddy's old belt buckle,
shining bright out there.
every rap reminds me why
I chase this wild dream.
rodeo life runs deeper than it might ever.